Welcome guys, this is the CMake tutorial 1. We're gonna watch today how to do makefile. For that we need to create a document, or you need to make the file like makefile, and keep in mind that the name should be this M should be in capital letter. So I have created a makefile here, and I have to edit the file here. I'm opening this file by VS Code Visual Studio. So first come first, I need to write default and add a tab G++. I like a simple main .cpp or out, and I think that's it. So let them be set for that, and now we need to run that file. Open a terminal, type make. Here you can see the files code is here, but it cannot show the result because of some error, the fatal error. It cannot detect the main .cpp. So what should we do now? We should make another file like main.cpp. Okay, and now we need to write some code in C++. So just a basic code and easy code I will write here. Let's include IOStream, sorry, and this is the initiation session. And for printing we need to write int main, something like that. So I need to int main std cout, and this will be printed 안녕하십니까. It's a Korean annotation for that. So I will write here the comment input for print. Now save it, Ctrl S. Now this is okay. Well, here we need to clear the terminal now. clear. Okay, now it's gone. Now we need to write make. Now there is no error, and write ./out, and voila, this is the result. So this is how the first tutorial of makefile. It can just compile one file and not even make. Thanks for watching.